Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would be showing you guys a kind of Christmassy glam look, I guess you could say. It turned out a little more pink-ish, but it's still Christmassy, I think, so that's cool. I finally attempted some eyeliner, some wings for you guys today. You'll have to check out the video to see how that went. That's all I'm gonna say. I was kind of inspired because our town tonight is throwing a little coming home for Christmas celebration. Santa's gonna be here, we're gonna play bingo, we're gonna go Christmas caroling, there's gonna be a sleigh ride, just so many fun Christmas activities that I'm super excited for because my heart is filled with Christmas. So that's where I kind of got my inspiration from. It's not really a glammy kind of event, but I don't know, I just thought it would be fun to kind of create this Christmas glam look. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get on all my future videos and help support little old me. So yeah, without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this Christmassy glammy look right here for you, then please keep watching. To start off, you already know I went in with my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Got a clean slate. And I don't know where my hair clips are, so that kind of stinks. I guess I'll have to work without them. I'm gonna spray my face with this Mario Badescu skincare. You know I love this stuff. Then I'm gonna prime my face with the NYX color correcting primer. These are basically like my staples of makeup. I use them almost every time. No shame in my game. Just put this kind of all over your T-zone and all over your face. Hide all that redness. So for foundation today, we're using the Fit Me. We're using two different shades. One is in Toffee, the other one is in Sun Beige, and I just mixed those on the back of my hand. Honestly, this is a very alternate cheap foundation that I got at Dollar General. Each one of those cost me like $6, I think. So that's very affordable. And the Too Faced I have in there, that cost me about $40 for like the same amount of a bottle. If you're interested in getting that foundation, I highly recommend it. Like I said in one of my previous videos, this has honestly become probably my favorite foundation. It just feels so light and it doesn't feel like I have any makeup on, so I like it. And I just mixed it around on the back of my hand with my makeup brush, and I'm just gonna go and wipe all the excess off here. I'm a little thrown off. I have like my camera right here, a mirror right here, and a mirror back here, so it's like there's three of me. I haven't filmed like this before. It's kind of weird. My one and only goal today is to not get makeup on my shirts. We'll see how that goes. Failed. I need a bib, seriously. Now that we have our foundation on, I'm gonna go in with concealer and the contour. To conceal and contour my face today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Concealer is in Tan Sand and the contour is in Rich. I'm gonna apply this to any part I want to make highlight and brighter. You got bags under your eyes, dark circles. Suggest really applying it there. Then I'm going to take that rich color and just go in the places where I want to create a shadow-like effect. Do my nose to make it look smaller. We're going to blend this all out. I am just going to use a beauty blender and use the Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I'm just going to spray that right on my beauty blender just to damp it and then buff out my rich color. Then I'm just going to take the other side of that beauty blender, turn it over, I spritz the other side and buff out the concealer. I didn't go too far up on applying concealer on my forehead today because I'm trying to not go as high, because the higher you apply more concealer, the more attention it draws to that spot. And I try to hide my big forehead. Okay, now that we have our face all buffed out, we are going to make. As always, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent face setting powder. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender. This one I don't get damp. I think you're supposed to when you bake, but I don't. I just dip it right on in the lid, and then I just apply it everywhere I put concealer. I also don't like bake very thick. I just put like a thin layer on there. Also, another reason I like baking is because when I do my eyeshadow, some of the palettes I have a lot of fallout, and so when I'm done with my eyeshadow, I just wipe off my bake, and any fallout that I have falls on my bake, and it doesn't fall on my actual like foundation or skin, so that's nice. It helps keep a clean eyeshadow experience, and we all know that I suffer from getting makeup everywhere, so I think we're going to use, I don't know how many palettes we're gonna use. For sure, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Bible Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, possibly my Carly Bible original palette, and maybe my Morphe palette. We have them all on deck if we need them. I really wish I had brushes that had like a name or a number on them. I need to invest in some so I can be more accurate in telling you guys what brush I'm using, but right now I'm just gonna be using a BS small brush. It's like a angled big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the color Bare, tap some off, and just kind of set it all over my lid. Next, I'm taking a BS Mall. It's a large flat straight brush, and I'm going to be going in with the color Cindy, and we're gonna do our crease. We're gonna do Cindy and mix it with chai. Just take it right in our crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush. Doesn't have a name, I don't know. Got it off of Amazon. I was iffy ordering brushes off of Amazon just because I didn't know how they would be, but I actually really like these brushes. So, and my BS Mall brushes are off of Amazon too, so get you some, girl or guy. You know, it's 2019, almost 20. Next, I'm gonna go in with Bible and just kind of blend that out all on the middle to outer part of our lid to our crease. I'm just moving in circular motions. Now I'm going to be going in with the BS Mall. It's still a blending brush. It's just a little smaller so we can get more precise. I'm actually going to switch to the original Carly Bible palette, her first one, and go in with the fourth color on the top row. It's like a darker mauve color, and just go kind of the same place we put the Bible color, but not as far in. Now I'm going to go in with that same brush and go to the last shade on the same palette. We're going to not get too much product on our brush and just take it to the very corner of your eye. And I'm just kind of patting it on there so the product really stays. Now just blending it out. Now we are going to go in with, a brush with a name. Going in with this brush right here. We're gonna take the color Aurora. I've never used this. I'm a little nervous. It's pretty though. OMG. Just gonna tap it on there, get it all over my brush. And we're going to apply it to the inner quarter of our lid. I've got to be honest, this is the very first time that I've ever done like a pink eyeshadow. So to blend both of those colors together, I'm going to be going in with this. Let's go in with Libra. And I'm just going to pop it on right where they meet. Now I'm going to go in with a very small pointed brush, and we're going to take this Moo color. It's probably one of my favorites in this palette. Go in on the corner of our eye. And I don't know if I'm really liking how pink this is. I think this would be more of a Valentine's Day look. So I'm gonna go in with this color Bali just a little bit and kind of go over this pink and tone it down a little bit. Okay, that's a little better. It's not so pink. Now we're gonna wipe all that stuff off our face really fast. You know what? We are going to do something I don't usually do today, but I'm gonna do it. I need to do it. We're gonna do eyeliner. Okay, so for eyeliner today, I'm using the Liquid Kohl waterproof liquid liner. A little tip like that. I don't even know how long I've had this, to be honest, but we'll do it. I'm gonna take it on my lash line. Oopsies, got it on my lid. This makes my eyes water. I'm kind of scared. I don't know if I should try a wing. I've only done a wing in my life one time. Guys, I did a little wing. It looks so weird. I don't think I did it right. I don't know. We're just gonna roll with it because I ain't taking it off. It's kind of scary. Moving on. I feel like I have to use this hand to do it. This is gonna be really ugly. I think it went dead. And I don't have any other liquid eyeliner either. I don't even know if this works. We're just gonna do it. How do you know if they're even? I don't think you do. I think this one is bigger than this one. I think the only thing I learned from doing eyeliner today is the reason why I never do eyeliner. And then for my lower lash liner, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. I'm not gonna go all the way in because I'm just not going to. I haven't worn eyeliner in so long. It looks weird. Now to kind of cover that up a little bit, we're gonna go in with a small blending brush. We're gonna go in and buff out the lower lash line with some eyeshadow. First I'm going in with the Cindy and Chai color that I used. Next we're going to go in with the old Kylie Barrow palette, the 4th shade. Just do that towards the middle to outer. And then go in with the dark last shade on the top row. We're just gonna pop that in the outer. Okay, moving on from our eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Becca bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my BS Mall face round brush today. Really want my bronze to pop. And just lightly circle that on there. Take it on our jawline, our chin, down our neck. Now I'm gonna go buff all that out real fast so there's no harsh lines, because taking our big fluffy brush again, some Becca Hydro Mist face setting powder, and just set the heck out of our face, you know? Alright, time to highlight our face. Today for highlight, I think I'm just going to be using this pinkish shade, going within our BS Small face tapered brush. Gonna wipe it all on there, tap out that excess, and highlight our dang face. Wow, I've never been so pink in my life. And yeah, the face is done. Need brows and mascara. So there you have it. This is my finished look. I just put on some Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick in the color Dallas K. These are the weirdest lashes I've ever put on, I think. They're kind of cool, but they're just weird. They're like super short in the corner of my eyes and like really long out on the outer corners. I mean, they're cool, but they're just so kind of weird. I don't know. My wings didn't turn out so bad. They don't look terrible. Definitely not the best. And I just threw my hair up in like a little low kind of messy pony back here and half pony, I guess. And yes, this is my kind of Christmas-y, glammy day look for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If there's anything you like or want to see, please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and you can help support me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you. Why do I always say thank you? That's so weird. Dogs, stop. Stop! I don't know how many times I say the word but it drives me freaking crazy. I don't even know why I just dipped that back in and put it on. Okay. It's our Lexi 239 precision. I can't say. Precision shader. Oh my god, I'm done. In the center or in the middle. I'm gonna go in with my Echo Tools. No, I'm not. Oh, my eyes are watering.